Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make simple ghee rice. To begin, you will need 1 cup of basmati rice, rinsed well and soaked for 30 minutes. Also have ready 2 tablespoons of ghee, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 green cardamom pods, 1 small bay leaf, a 2-inch cinnamon stick, and 4 cloves. Finally, measure 2 cups of hot water and salt to taste. These simple ingredients are the foundation for a truly delicious dish. Now let's get cooking. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of ghee in a heavy-bottomed pot over medium heat. Once warm, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them splutter for just a few seconds. Next, introduce 2 green cardamom pods, 1 bay leaf, a 2-inch cinnamon stick, and 4 cloves. Sauté these wonderful whole spices for about 30 seconds, allowing their incredible aromas to fill your kitchen. This step is key for deep flavor. With our spices fragrant, it's time for the rice. First, ensure your soaked basmati rice is completely drained. Add the rice to the pot and gently stir it with the spices for about 1 minute, ensuring every grain is beautifully coated. Then, carefully pour in 2 cups of hot water and add salt to your liking. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, then immediately reduce the heat to its lowest setting. The final steps are crucial for perfect ghee rice. Cover the pot tightly with a lid and let it simmer on the lowest heat for exactly 15 minutes. Remember, do not lift the lid at all during this time. The steam is essential for cooking. After 15 minutes, turn off the heat and let the rice rest, still covered, for another 10 minutes. Finally, fluff your fragrant ghee rice gently with a fork and serve it warm. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.